That song was brought to you by
CEO Maestro Erasmo C. Malilin and Operations Manager Marvin Velasquez of Erasmo Star Talents and Entertainment Management. For inquiries, contact 0917-743-9441.
TNT, it's a tropa thing.
Palawan Pay and Palawan Express pera padala. Basta pera padala, win-win ka sa Palawan.
What is an MV? An MV is a selfie or group feed with Emperador Line. Share an MV with friends para lalong sumaya ang tagumpay ng barkada. Hashtag MV. Gawin mong light with Emperador Line. Drink responsibly.
Limited Network Solutions Incorporated, the quality you deserve. Services offered: structured cabling, electrical works, CCTV system, door access systems, fire alarm system, BGM paging systems, civil works, mechanical works, professional mobile radio, fiber optic cables, installation and termination.
Red Horse Extra Strong, the #1 beer. Ito ang tama.
Petron knows you deserve only the best.
Neozep, ang mabilis sa sipon at lahat ng sintomas nito. Neozep, mabilis, magaling. Phenylephrine HCl, chlorpheniramine maleate, paracetamol, Neozep Forte.
Pioneer Elastoseal. Tagal-tibay, tag-init o tag-ulan. Elastoseal mo yan.
Jim's 3+1 Coffee Mix with Ginseng. And Jim's 3-in-1 Coffee Mix with Spirulina. Now in twin pack. Jim's Coffee Mix. May plus ka sa life.
Bear Brand Fortified Choco and Real Strawberry Milk Drink. Katumbas sa tibay ng Bear Brand.
BioQuip, high-quality products for hospitals and labs with 19 years of dedicated service to the community. They have become your trusted partner for all things medical.
McDonald's, it's time for some sharing with the new McShare bundles. Now with Chicken McDo, McNuggets, BFF rice and drinks. Drive through your nearest McDonald's now.
Vita Herbs Insulin Plant Coffee Mix. Sugar-free coffee. Mixed ingredients from Garcinia, Cambodia. Mangosteen. Acai berry. Barley. Wamera. Agaricus mushroom. Insulin plant extract. Serpentina. Ampalaya at stevia. FDA approved. Available in Shopee and Lazada and all Chinese drugstores nationwide.
Clara Olay, endless delicious possibilities.
Supreme Pure Organic Barley by Levex. First, alkaline-based pure organic barley. Every sip is full of beneficial nutrients. Wag basta barley. Dapat alkaline-based Supreme Pure Organic Barley.
AIA Philippines, formerly Philom Life, helping Filipinos live healthier, longer, better lives.
Rexona, hataw sa galaw.
Summit Natural Drinking Water. Keep yourselves hydrated this holiday season rush with Summit Natural Drinking Water. Wishing you all a joyful Christmas.
Magkulay sa Nor ginataang kulay. Pag-ibig, magbagong bahay na. Inquire for a housing loan today. Go to your nearest Pag-ibig Fund branch or visit www.pag-ibigfund.gov.ph. White flour, patak, pahid, pagod.
Vita Herbs Barley Organic Grass Powder Coffee Mix. Made with pure organic powder. Available in all Mercury drugstores, Shopee, Lazada, and all leading drugstores nationwide.
iBerry.
Tara po, picture tayo.
Healthy eyesight.
Samphone Plus Gold.
Ginto, ibang ginto.
Bet88. Sign up now at bet88.ph and get up to 8,888 in rewards and bonuses with instant payouts in just 5 seconds. Bet88. Ibang swerte to.
New Emperador Hotshot. Either you're hot or you're not. Drink responsibly.
Canrif Corporation, your ventilation and air conditioning specialist. Canrif Corporation offers supply and installation of elevators, escalators, air conditioners, ventilators, jet towel hand dryers, generators, access control system, factory automation, and modernization. For more info, please contact Ami Kanke.
Yum Yum, ang choice ng barkada ko.
The new Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Make your smart shift today.
Maligayang Pasko mula sa Columbia International Food Products.
Magnolia Chicken Templados, sarap ng home-style goodness. Grab our Magnolia Chicken Templados fried chicken, chicken barbecue, chicken tocino, and chicken teriyaki on your next grocery shopping.
Morizink Food Supplement Syrup. Ang batang Morizink ay matangkad, malusog at matalino. Call 283-2034-235 for more information.
Sa dami ng Jollibee drive-thru, ang daling magka-joy sa traffic.
Sprite. Cool ka lang with Sprite. Ang most refreshing lemon lime soft drink sa Pinas.
Life Formula Synergy. Multi-purpose ozonizer 2C. God's gift to mankind. Eliminate pathogen and chemical pollutants. For safe food, clean water, and quality air. Use Ozonizer 2C. To see is to believe. For more details, visit www.facebook.com/LFSIPH or call 8687-4770.
Skalan. Para sa paulit-ulit na pain, Skalan.
Alaya Garden Resort and Hotel. For your relaxation and enjoyment, visit the newest adventure. Located at Purok Uno, Barangay Lacios, Arayat, Pampanga. For reservations, please call 0917-115-3195 or visit their Facebook page.
Jed's Island Resort, the largest resort in Central Luzon, located at MacArthur Highway, Gatbuca, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Open 24 hours. For reservation and other inquiries, please call or visit their Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter accounts for more details. Mark your calendars and plan now your family outing at Jed's Island Resort, a perfect place for staycation.
Villa Caseras Hotel, the gem of Bicolandia. A 3-star hotel with a 5-star experience. Book now. You may contact 054-473-6530 to 33. Visit our website, www.villacaserashotel.naga.com.
Camerate FA. Sa paulit-ulit na hilo, lata at putla, baka iron deficiency anemia na yan. Take Camerate FA, the blood vitamin.
Northern Cement Max Plus, Supreme, at Max Pro Northern Cement. Ahon, bangon, sulong.
Signal, just awesome.
Ultra Mega Supermarket. Presyong mababa na, mas pinababa pa.
Gold Eagle Beer. Tauhay nga ilim dun, tauhay baklon. Magnolia Chicken. Magsiguro. Magnolia. Sigurado ka dito.
And?
Feeling low.
Does it seem like you're stuck?
And there's no way out.
Don't worry. There's a light at the end of the tunnel with Belcentra.
Side effects of Felcentra include spontaneous combustion, loss of balance,
And forgetting how to use stairs.
but with Felcentra, you can operate heavy machinery.
Belcentra. Feel better.
Popoy at Bea, remember yung mga lalaking nirereto sa akin ng mga kaibigan ko? Pinilikan ko silang lahat. Nakipag-date ako ulit sa kanila. Siyempre, sa umpisa ng bawat date, nagpaka-casual lang ako. Hindi naman yung tipong sugod agad, tapos sasabihin ko na gusto mo maging daddy na magiging baby ko? Hindi naman ganon yung approach ko. Normal na date na muna siyempre. Tapos, habang tumatagal ang date, slowly, ino-open up ko yung topic about having kids. Segundahan ko kaagad ng, what do you think about just having a kid? No marriage, ganon. Depende sa magiging sagot nila kung itutuloy ko pa ang pag-push ng agenda ko. To be completely honest, sa lahat ng nireto ng mga friends ko pagdating doon sa question na yon ay tumitiklop na. At nagpatuloy ako sa ganitong dating setup, Popoy at Bea. Actually, ang tagal kong naghintay para makahanap ng lalaking talagang pasok na pasok sa banga. Popoy at Bea, dito na nga papasok sa eksena si Adam. Nakilala ko si Adam dahil sa freelance work ko. Nagkataon kasing nagkasama kami sa isang event at talagang nag-click kaming dalawa agad. Yung mga small talks, nauwi sa coffee dates, na nauwi sa mga out-of-town trips, na nauwi sa mga trips abroad together. Para sa mga girls out there, kung makikita nyo lang talaga tong si Adam, sobrang perfect niya. What a specimen of a man. Nagtagal pa na nagtagal ang ganitong setup namin ni Adam. Yung tipong wala na pag-usapan. Enjoying the moment as they come, kumbaga. Popoy at Bea, when we finally reached the point na we were both ready to be intimate, talagang binigay ko ang sarili ko sa kanya. Remind ko lang ang lahat ng nakikinig o remind ko lang sa lahat ng nakikinig na hindi kami ni Adam. Walang napagkasundo ang ganon. Parang unspoken rule lang na we are dating. At eto ka na nga, Popoy at Bea. Paparating na tayo sa juicy part. We were out in a bar hopping with our friends. Chill na gabi lang talaga siya when suddenly, Adam asked me kung okay lang daw ba na mauna na kaming umuwi. Bilang hindi naman tayo inosente, syempre alam ko na agad kung saan kami papuntang dalawa. So dumating na nga kami sa apartment niya and as suspected, we did it, Popoy at Bea. Okay na sana ang lahat eh. He was really good pagdating sa foreplay. Kaso, nung gagawin na namin, bigla siyang huminto and he told me na, Lalaine, would you give me the honor of being your boyfriend? Ay, shock talaga ako sa tanong niya. Baby lang ang habol ko at hindi jowa. So sabi ko sa kanya na, I'll think about it. Yung medyo in a naughty way para hindi mag-isip ng kung ano tong si Adam. Saka ko sinabi sa kanya to wear protection before we do it. Popoy at Bea, paano ba to? Yes, I know. Bakit nga hindi na lang maging kami ni Adam? Tapos kung magkakaanak man kami, edi okay, win-win situation, diba? Ewan ko ba? Masyado na kasing nabaon sa utak ko yung idea ng pagkakaroon lang ng anak. Ang babaw ng problema ko, no? Popoy at Bea, ako talaga ang problema. Ang bait-bait ni Adam. Sweet and caring pa. Bakit ba ako natatakot mag-commit sa kanya? Ano ba ang pwede kong gawin para ma-shake out yung feeling na to sa katawan at utak ko? Sana matulungan niyo ako, Popoy at Bea. Kahit anong advice, tatanggapin ko. Umaasang matutulungan niyo, Lalaine.
This portion was brought to you by
Life Formula Synergy, Multi-Purpose Ozonizer 2C. Eliminate pathogen and chemical pollutants for safe food, clean water, and quality air. Use Ozonizer 2C. To see is to believe. For more details, visit www.facebook.com/LFSIPH or call 8687-4770 or 0917-815-8130 or 0949-675-0128.
Sa dami ng Jollibee drive-thru, ang daling magka-joy sa traffic.
Mr. Donut, ang nakatutuwang pang merienda natin ay nakatutuwang pang negosyo rin. Punta na sa pinakamalapit na Mr. Donut branch sa inyong lugar or mag-order via Grab or Foodpanda. For franchise inquiries, maaari namang mag-inquire via email at fms@mrdonut.ph.
Signal, just awesome.
Thank you din sa Miracle Peptide. When science ends, miracles happen. Stay happy para walang anxiety.
Enjoy life more with PNB Savings Bank Smart Personal Loan with double coverage.
Thank you sa Sarah Skin. Sarah Skin, crafted to bring smile and happiness. For inquiries, you may visit their website www.sarah-skin.com.
It's the most glorious and wonderful time of the year to celebrate with loved ones. It's time to pour out what's special. Novelino, my wine and only.
Supreme Pure Organic Barley by Levex. First, alkaline-based pure organic barley. Every sip is full of beneficial nutrients. Huwag basta barley. Dapat alkaline-based Supreme Pure Organic Barley.
CLC Marketing Ventures Corporation, maker of Home Sweet and Giant Carrier.
Hanabishi, kapartner ng praktikal na nanay for 30 years. Subok na ni Bossing.
Harness your own energy with Cardimax, available in selected Mercury drugstores nationwide.
Sun Cellular. BioQuip. High-quality products for hospitals and labs with 19 years of dedicated service to the community. They have become your trusted partner for all things medical.
Jollibee Chicken Joy. Best tasting na, our biggest pa. Ito ang Chicken Joyes.
Vita Herbs Insulin Plant Coffee Mix. Sugar-free coffee. Mixed ingredients from Garcinia, Cambodia. Mangosteen. Acai berry. Barley. Guamera. Agaricus mushroom. Insulin plant extract. Serpentina. Ampalaya at stevia. FDA approved. Available in Shopee and Lazada and all Chinese drugstores nationwide.
Diabetes, the generic pharmacy. Plus the generics of gamot ang maintenance, CGP, the generic pharmacy. Nandito ang reseta ng doktor. Now with over 1,700 branches nationwide to serve you.
United Home for Sulfate Iron. Healthy blood for a healthy glow.
Trust reproductive health choices. Family planning? Mag-trust reproductive health choices na.
Red Horse Extra Strong, the #1 beer. Ito ang tama.
Maraming salamat din. First VitaPlus. First VitaPlus Natural Health Drink. Formulated with its signature 5-flower herbs. Malunggay, uray, saluyot, dahon ng sili, and talbos ng kamote. Available in delicious all Pinoy flavors. Dalandan, melon, and guyabano, and many more. First VitaPlus. Your road to ultimate freedom. Time freedom, wealth freedom, and health freedom. Call 8470-8482 for more details or visit www.firstvitaplus.net. First VitaPlus, so full of life.
Royal, gawing snack kakulitan ang Royal and Chips sa next merienda time mo.
Vita Herbs Barley Organic Grass Powder Coffee Mix. Made with pure organic powder. Available in all Mercury drugstores, Shopee, Lazada, and all leading drugstores nationwide.
McDonald's, it's time for some sharing with the new McShare bundles. Now with Chicken McDo, McNuggets, BFF rice and drinks. Drive through your nearest McDonald's now.
Jim 7-in-1 Coffee Mix. Isa lang ang isinisigaw. May plus ka sa life.
Jim's Coffee Mix, ang kapeng kakaiba.
Jim's 3+1 Coffee Mix with ginseng. And Jim's 3-in-1 Coffee Mix with spirulina. Now in twin pack. Jim's Coffee Mix. May plus ka sa life.
Vita Herbs Philippines Green Coffee. Masarap, mabango at healthy pa. Available in all Mercury drugstores nationwide.
San Miguel flavored beer. Make life sweet. Swak sa budget, panalo sa sweetness. Drink responsibly.
GES 4th generation LED lights.
Healthy Lemon, the first buy one take one lemonade in the Philippines. Share a healthy cup with your loved ones. With more than 50 branches nationwide, open for franchise. Visit your TikTok, Instagram, and FB account for more info. Be healthy. Choose Healthy Lemon.
Pure gold. Always panalo.
The all-new Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. Make your smart shift today.
Reynolds Max, the portable fire extinguisher. Stronger than fire.
Ginebra San Miguel. Magsimulang ganado kasama ang Ginebra San Miguel. Ganado sa buhay. Drink responsibly.
Bingo Big Loaf at Bingo Loaf. Nga na inahenyo, nagbibingo.
Mahirap pa kasi pag may nag-pursue. Pag wala nag-pursue, isang reklamo, okay lang yun. Kasi pag pinursu siya, yung talagang hindi siya tumigil, hindi ka na-represent.
And now let's get spruced up with a word from our sponsor, Crazy Carl's Christmas Trees.
Move over, Charlie Brown. There's a new saddest tree in town. Bring your kids to drive on down and pick up one of our trees.
These are no ordinary ornaments. They can get just as smashed as you.
You'll be feeling just fine with our collapsible Christmas trees.
Our affordable evergreens are easy to dispose of. So come on down to Crazy Carl's Christmas Trees.
Our prices might not be dropping, but our trees sure are.
Hala, iniwan ka na ng mga kasama mo. Ang tagal mo kasing magkilay eh. Oras sa barangay, it's 4:24 p.m. forever.
At ang time check na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng...
That time check was brought to you by
Hotbox, the first self-heating portable food box. For inquiries, visit www.hotboxph.com.
MJ's Cravings by Mitch Kahayon Uy. Ang Japanese cake na masarap na, mas pinasarap pa. To order, contact 0917-863-2500.
McDonald's, it's time for some sharing with the new McShare bundles. Now with Chicken McDo, McNuggets, BFF rice and drinks. Drive through your nearest McDonald's now.
Goldilocks. Para sa new sarap Pinoy, lika na sa Goldilocks. Greenwich Overload Pizzas. Presyong kaibigan na loaded sa toppings over sa savings.
Vita Herbs Insulin Plant Coffee Mix. Sugar-free coffee. Mixed ingredients from Garcinia, Cambodia. Mangosteen. Acai berry. Barley. Bombera. Agaricus mushroom. Insulin plant extract. Serpentina. Ampalaya at stevia. FDA approved. Available in Shopee and Lazada and all Chinese drugstores nationwide.
PNB Savings Bank Smart Auto Loan. Make the smart choice.
Vita Herbs Barley Organic Grass Powder Coffee Mix. Made with pure organic powder. Available in all Mercury drugstores, Shopee, Lazada, and all leading drugstores nationwide.
What is an MV? An MV is a selfie or group V with Emperador Line. Share an MV with friends para lalong sumaya ang tagumpay ng barkada. Hashtag MV. Gawin mong light with Emperador Line. Drink responsibly.
Fusidin, full force against wound infection. SM Supermalls. Enjoy the holiday with your family at SM Supermalls. Everything's here for a Merry SM Christmas.
One up. Let's make it happen.
Ribisco Sandwich. Ang sarap ng feeling mo.
BioQuip. High-quality products for hospitals and labs with 19 years of dedicated service to the community. They have become your trusted partner for all things medical.
Jollibee Young Burger.
Yung sa akin na Twitter na to sa akin. Sa tweet, nagtanong ako sa radio.
Jollibee Young Burger.
Kenny Rogers Delivery. Dial 555-9000 or log on to kennys.com.ph to order and pay online.
Centrum Silver. Para sa extra resistensya at proteksyong pangbuong katawan para sa edad 50 pataas, take Centrum Silver Advance every day.
Magnolia Healthy and Magnolia Fruit Drink. Mag-refresh up now with Magnolia Healthy and Fruit Drink.
Ginto. Ibang ginto. EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical with over 250 stores nationwide. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Naninigas, sumihilab, kumikirot ang tiyan? Stomach cramps yan. Mag-Buscopan. Tiyan ka magaling. Hyoscine and butyl bromide is a generic name of Buscopan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Nes Fruta. Mas pinasarap para sa Big Pichel.
Gingerbon. Boses mo, kapangyarihan mo. Love your voice. Love Gingerbon.
Hanap mo ba ay sulit, masarap, at affordable na unlimited wings? Dito na tayo sa Wingfinity and beyond. For inquiries, send an email to wingfinity.franchising@gmail.com or via hotline at 0948-977-8888. Wingfinity and beyond. Infinite love for chicken wings.
3D, singtibay ng Pinoy.
David Salon. Whoever you are, whatever you do, we bring out the best in you. Visit a David Salon branch nearest you and book an appointment now. Like, subscribe, and follow them on their social media accounts. Visit their website, davidsalon.com.ph. For more details, thank you so much, Mr. David Charlton.
San Miguel flavored beer. Make life sweet. Swak sa budget, panalo sa sweetness. Drink responsibly.
Buttercream crackers. Sweet sarap.
CNC Cafe PH. Coffee, pasta, souffle, and happiness. Refresh and recharge at CNC Cafe PH. Indulge in our coffee, blended drinks, mouth-watering souffle pancakes, and more. Visit us today. San Miguel Sugar-Free Coffee.
Happy Toothpaste. New Happy Explosive Menthol Red. Now in Active Cool. Happy's longest cooling ever. Eating Pinoy, eating happy.
Star Chunky Cheese Corned Beef. Ang cheesy ng corned beef mo.
Haval Jolian, your smart and stunning city driving companion from GWM Philippines.
Lucky me. So lucky me, ilang minuto lang, happy we.
Star Margarine. May sustansya rap para mas abot ang pangarap.
Pegrolac. Noon hanggang ngayon, lamang ka sa malaman.
Unisilver. Unisilver Jewelry and Watches. Ang paborito kong silver jewelry.
And Tres RZ Pest Control Services. In Tres RZ, no pests, no worries. For inquiries, visit their website and Facebook page or contact 8367-8411 or 046-238-1500 or 0928-695-1729 or 0915-245-9910.